In this video, we're going to show you how to install the cabin air filter on your Kia Sorento located behind the glove box. Good, open up the glove box. Now at this point here, you want to go ahead and remove any contents that are in your glove box. Now on both sides, the left-hand side and the right side, there's going to be a little dial. You're going to go ahead and grab that, turn it counterclockwise, twist it and release. You're going to do that on both sides. Now on the right-hand side here, there's going to be a little cable retainer. So you're going to push this up a little bit and you're going to pull on this. And what I'll do is I'll put some slack in that. And when you pull this, you can see that it spins here. You're going to pull it out and spin it and then push it through the hole. Drop that down. Now here is that unit right here. Shaped like a little T. And it's on a retractor that helps pull this up into place. Now that opens up the area here for our cabin air filter. You're going to lift up on this little tab right here. Same thing on the other side. And you're basically pinching these two tabs together. So you have these two tabs you're going to pinch to unlock and pull that out. Right here, we have access to our cabin air filter. I'm going to grab that and slide this out. You know, when you grab your new filter here, you want to go ahead and pay attention to it. There is an arrow on it for the airflow to go through. So at this point here, our blower motor is on the bottom, pushing air up and through the vents. So you want to make sure that that arrow is pointing upward for the airflow. Go ahead and slide that in. Tuck that into place. I'm going to go ahead and take this unit, line it up just as the way we had removed it. Press it in. And you're going to feel it and hear it snap into place. Go ahead and grab that glove box and that little cable T right here. I'm going to feed this through. Pull that through the hole. And there, that's installed. And go ahead and grab your units here. And these have little rollers on them. So you need to push this up and in and then install these. Pop it in, twist them clockwise. Same thing here. Go ahead and install any of your glove box items. And then go ahead and close it up, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.